Hello, my name is George Chamberlain. I'm with the Center for Responsible Seafood, and I'm here in Panama where the US Soybean Export Council is hosting a meeting on sustainability. And I'm accompanied by Jim Sutter, the CEO of USSEC. And it's just amazing how they pulled together representatives of the entire supply chain to talk about how we can all work together to improve sustainability. So, Jim, I wonder if you might just tell me about some of the highlights of the meeting and what USSEC is striving for.
Yeah, I'd love to, George, and thank you very much for the opportunity, and thanks for being here and
My
being
pleasure.
being a presenter at our meeting. So we convened this meeting because sustainability is becoming much more important for many reasons. But let me talk about. We hear from our customers and customers of U.S. soy around the world who are feed producers, livestock producers, aquaculture producers, food producers, that their customers are telling them they're interested to know where their food's coming from and how it's produced, and that it's not harming the environment as it's being produced, all those kind of things. And we kind of put all that into the area of sustainability, to being able to assure sustainability. So we thought it was high time we got together leaders from the whole Americas region. I think we have 9 or 10 countries represented, people from different industries that are interested in this. We also have U.S. farmers here. People also from the grain and the rice industry joined us here to talk about sustainability, to talk about how important it is that we all work together as we're on this journey. And we need to work together, representing the farmers. Our farmers need to be doing all they can in the area of sustainability, to be doing the right things on their farm. And we need to handle the crop in the right way. And then we need to communicate that through the chain to people who take our products and produce, further process them, turn them into something else, turn them into seafood, into aquaculture.
Absolutely.
Because your customers are wanting to know about that. We've talked about the US Soy Sustainability Assurance Program, or protocol, US SSAP, that allows people who import US soy to have a verification that the product has been produced sustainably, that it meets a whole host of ESG requirements and subject to audit. And then so people can use that as they're producing whatever it is they're producing, whether it's eggs or poultry or seafood. And they're then able to assure their customers of that. So we've been so pleased to have the group together.
It's amazing. And this SSAP program has really grown, right?
It has. We started this program in reaction to a need we heard from people around the world that wanted to know, are the soybeans that you're exporting, or the soy meal that you're exporting from the U.S., is it sustainable? So we first had to kind of do a lot of work on what does that mean? So we convened a roundtable of people from Europe, people from Asia, people from NGOs, all different sides, a multifaceted group, and came up with the SSAP, the Sustainability Assurance Protocol. And then we developed this tool to allow people to have this verification. And it has grown from, just barely a small percentage of the crop to this past year, almost 60% of the U.S. crop that was exported carried with it this verification certificate.
Wow. What a demonstration of the importance of the program to the market.
Yeah.
Well, I've certainly learned a lot, and you have a kind of a who's who list of experts here, and the contacts have been really helpful for me. I want to thank you for inviting me, and thanks for doing such a great job.
Well, thank you, George, and thank you for doing such a great job with your presentation, educating us about what the aquaculture industry worldwide is doing in this area. I think there are certainly things that other animal production systems can learn from aquaculture. Aquaculture sort of on the leading edge of this. So it was great that you were here to help educate people, and we so appreciate the partnership.
Thank you so much, Jim.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care.